Today we're making a pillowcase envelope style. So I have a pillow here and we need to measure around the pillow the lengthwise, the longest part. I want to make mine nice and snug, so this one is 34, plus we need to add some 4 inches for the overlap and 2 inches for the hem, so that is a total of 41 inches. Okay, then we need to measure around this to here only once, and that is 13 inches plus the hem, so that is 14 inches. So you are going to have a long rectangle. I'm gonna draw it for you. You're gonna have a long rectangle of 14 inches by 41. Like that. Okay, so let's cut that out. Put this pillow to the side. "41 inches. Because I don't have enough space to cut here, I am going to fold this in half. Great. "41, half of that is 20 and a half. I'm going to use this cutting mat. 20 and a half. Right there. And remember that when you use fabric, cut lengthwise with the grain, right? And that this line here, that is with the grain, meaning that the majority of the threads are going this way. And you need to straighten it out because this is not straight, and you do that by pulling this thread, just double checking that it's a straight edge, and it is a straight edge. So I said 20 and a half right there. I'm not going to make it perfect for the video, but there it is, 20 and a half by 14 inches. 14 inches. And this edge that has like this finishing in here, I don't like to use it because it puts strain on your fabric, so I take it off. Okay, use this chalk because it's not permanent. Mark your 14 inches. 14. Do a good job on it and mark where you're gonna cut. The benefits of satin soft pillowcases is that they're gentle to your hair, prevent the split ends, prevent creasing of the face, the skin. So here it is, right? So when you sew, you're gonna hem both sides. You're gonna hem this side, you're gonna hem this side, which I'm not gonna teach it right now. You gotta learn that later. And this is gonna go around the pillow like this, okay? Of course, this is gonna be folded in. And And the benefit of the envelope pillow is that it doesn't slide off, doesn't escape on you. Versus if you make a pillow like this, like the typical ones that you see at the store that are cheap, they're open right here, right? And so the pillow will come out over here. It'll escape at you at night. So that's why I like the envelope one, because it overlaps this. Anyways, this is one of the projects for beginner sewing. It's a really fun project, and you get to go home with a satiny, beautiful pillow.